Hello folks, it's a wet and wintry day, like, you know, I thought I'd have a quick look at my eyebrows, but what we're going to have a look at is a nice gold plated simple Sekonda Submariner homage without the Cyclops. So we'll go down to the down view and we'll have a look at some surprises. Right, so here we are. That's the R part done. I just had to tweak about on the inside, make sure like get the battery terminals touching. Hey, it's not as bad as the coffee gold one I've got, but this is quite nice. It's got very nice loom to it. Like it's a proper Submariner homage. The only thing that I don't quite like is the fact it's got that kind of cream gold dial, which I prefer. I would have preferred a black dial. It's very loomy. I'll try and do a loom bit in a bit. As you can see, it's holding good times. So O2, yep. So I haven't set the date. I never bother with dates. Only thing I haven't unopened up yet is the bezel, because that seems a bit fixed. I don't think it is a fixture of it being fixed. It's weird how the intermediate indices are like coming up like pits of hell. Look at that, they're like black holes. That's really strange. I didn't realise that they were that black. Right, anyway, let's move on to the next bit. Well, because of convenience and everything else, like, you know, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly pop this off. It's difficult doing this without a stand. I still haven't got myself a bloody tripod. Because if you look here, what's happening is it's just here. Right, a link has folded outwards, and oh god, it's stuck on that. As you can see here, right. So I'm just going to look in to see if I can actually just drive out one of these links altogether, but it's a lot easier in a vice than it is with the watch extant. You know, but she's still going. So, and I've dropped it as well. So that's the test. Right, so the head's off now. All I'm going to do is I'm going to find something to put it onto, so make it look nice. Right, let's have a look to see what straps we can find. We've got Royal Artillery NATO. I'm not really a fan of the NATO still, but you know, Soviet. I mean, it'll do in a pinch, right? But I'd rather not. Actually, come to think of it, have I got any? Oh, hello. I do. Royal Marines NATO. One there. Oh, what a bugger. That would have been absolutely spot on if that would have fitted. Hold up a minute. No, it's too close. It's too tight. Oh, that's a shame. So that's no good. Like I said, Royal Artillery, NATO. I think I've got anything in the bracelets. Nothing gold. It's the Leningrad celebration. An old Orient, which I've still got to repair, which I haven't, which is a shame. And a beautiful rose gold one. That's a very, very heavy one. That is for the other Sekonda, which I never bothered with because it was. What I've got to do is basically grind down the profile of this, and then it'll fit. But it's got a lovely rose gold one on there already, so that's watch bracelets. That's no good. And we've got the straps. I've got a feeling that it's going to be a choice between a Soviet cuff. What am I getting? Too fat. That's definitely too fat, because I know that's a 22. And what have we got here? Oh well. It does look like it's going to be. Oh, that's an 18mm. What do you think? Houston, I think we may have a winner. Well, and there we go, folks. Now I fixed the focus again. Look at that. That's not too bad. So what started off today in a bag of crapped out pieces, as I've still got loads more to go through. Timex, very nice Umbro, something for my granddaughter. You know, I paid like, you know, a few quid for like a whole bag of them. Right, and there's the first success. And yes, it's holding time at 23:05. Yes, brilliant. And today's watch being worn is look at that, Seiko strap, official. You know, I'm very pleased with that. It's holding good time, good day. The only thing is, it's got a power reserve of about 3 hours. I mean, that looks brilliant. Right. So, a quick say hello to the Vostoks. Hello, Vostoks. You know, oh yeah, there's another one. Refurbished bezel. Look at that. It's like new. So, see you in the next one. Bye.